Hello YouTubers, thought I'd do a tape unboxing as I need to open a couple of tapes for today. So I'm going to use this one, TDK Hi8 tape, for the camera I'm recording live out of at the moment, the TR3200. And then I've got one of these out the cupboard, out of my tape stock that I've got, that I've shown on in another video. Got quite a few various of tapes, Digital 8, Hi, Video 8, not so many Video 8, but I only had one Video 8 camera, but I've got one in the post to me today, which is sold as seen, so hopefully it will work. But let's stop talking, let's just open this. Brand new fresh tapes from 2021. There we go. Put the packaging before it all gets torn off. See, a lot of people with their tapes on YouTube, and they just sort of show them off but never get them out. You know, there's certain ones which I've kept one sealed and used the rest, but for the majority of the time I bought these tapes not to have as something on a shelf. I bought them to do exactly what they're intended for, which is recording. So there you've got your selection. Sorry, it's obviously mirrored from what I'm seeing on the screen. I'm using my computer screen to see what's going on, but yeah, you've got the variations you can tick there. Stereo, so on. But yeah, run-of-the-mill standard Video 8 tape, which I say, as long as the camera is working when it arrives later, I'll be using. Have a look at the labels. It's got that nice fresh tape smell. Bit like when you go in a library and you smell a book. They've got the old vintage stuff, has that smell about it. Typically somebody texted me at that time. So that's the Video 8 one, and then this one, Hi8 TDK. Again, apologies, I'm got a mirrored image of what I'm actually seeing. This camera doesn't have a flippy out screen, but even if it did, it would be the same sort of thing anyway. So open, helps if I use the open tag, which is there, open tab. Just rip it open. And there we have it. Standard stuff. As I said, I thought I'd just open it because it's fresh tapes. The labels are like on this one. There we go. So yes, this tape will now be going in to this very camera, which I should be able to do as it's live. Don't think this one allows me to do the menu on screen like some of the other ones, which is annoying. Yeah, I can't. Okay. No. Okay, well, I'll cut the video there. Next thing you'll be seeing is recording on this camera again, no doubt. Oh, actually, I'll probably be using the Video 8 camera to make sure that's working and everything. So I'll speak to you in the next one. Bye for now.